Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Logitech Driving Force Shifter. It's compatible with the G29, the G 920 and G923. This is a racing wheel for PlayStation 5, PlayStation 4, Xbox Series X and S, Xbox One, and, of course, personal computer. It works with G29 and G920. This driving force racing wheels. Driving force shifters designed for both driving force racing wheels to enhance the latest personal computer and console racing titles. And we have a quality construction here. With a solid steel gear shaft, the driving force shifter is built for precision, racing, and long-lasting reliability. The knob and boot are covered in high-quality hand-stitched leather. And we have a 6-speed shifter with a push-down reverse. The 6-speed H shifter moves fluidly and solidly clicks into each gear. This helping us execute smooth, accurate gear transmissions on hairpin turns and straightaways. And, as you can see, secure mounting. Durable building clamps and ball points allows driving force shifter to be mounted securely to a table or a racing rig to minimize shifting or wobbling during aggressive race maneuvers. It's compatible with the PlayStation 5 and 4, the Xbox One, Windows 8.1, Windows 8, or Windows 7. The game that supports Logitech Force Feedback race wheels. We download the latest GAF software on our personal computer to customize and update this device. GHUB. And the wide with cable is 1.66 pound. These are 0.76 kilogram. 6 speeds with push down reverse gear. All what you need. The Sim racing shifter for G29 and G920 Driving Force racing wheels. It adds realistic shifting to our racing wheel setup and to the latest personal computer and console racing titles. The driving force shifts completes our racing rig with smooth 6-speed shifting, authentic solid steel and leather construction, and the built-in clamps for secure mounting to a table or a racing rig. We get set for a high-performance shifting experience through every hairpin, turn, and straightaways. Driving force shifter for driving force wheels. Experience the latest console and PC racing titles like never before with the realistic shifter designed for the really cool driving force racing wheels, which are sold separately, of course. That race for real driving force race quality construction. The solid steel gear shaft and the hand-stitched leather knob and boot covers gives us the hook and the look feel comfort. And the secure mounting brings us into position with clamps, or we can use bolts. 6-speed shifter with push-down reverse. All features for a good and simulated race on your personal computer, on your PlayStation or your Xbox. Really cool stuff additionally to your rig. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.